today we're going to be showing you how to make African style beef ribs, and we'll start off by making the marinade for this. So you start with 5 teaspoons of red paprika powder, followed by 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and last but not least a teaspoon of citric powder. So you'll just simply take the powder mix we had earlier and put some of it on to your beef ribs and just try and paste it on so that both sides are evenly coated. We'll do the other side now. If you eat more spicy, you can add more red chili powder in the initial step, or if you don't eat spicy, then you can reduce that amount. So here we have 2 tablespoons of oil, and we'll just add the mixture we had marinated the ribs with, so whatever is left over. Stir it up. Add 2 tablespoons of water, or about 2 tablespoons of water, and continue stirring it up until you get a consistent paste. And this is, once the ribs are barbecued and ready, this is what we will be sauteing the ribs in, and we'll show you that in a sec. Here you can see we just have the ribs set on the barbecue. We'll wait till both sides are crispy, and once it's ready I'll show you how that looks like. So once you have barbecued the ribs, you can take the sauce we prepared earlier and just paste it onto the ribs. Make sure to add a generous amount, and at this point they are good to serve. This is what it looks like. Once again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.